Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video, an update on XRP, still covering it daily. Now I did want to ask you if you still think that's interesting, because obviously I'm only covering this because I think that it's valuable for you. And apart from that, I also have something to say about it right now, I think. So that's why I wanted to cover it, but please let me know if you're still interested in these XRP updates. Because the moment that you say like, well, daily is a bit too much, just keep it at once every 2 days, or just stop doing them altogether. I might not listen to that last one, but if you say it's a bit too much right now, I might agree. So let me know. But now let's talk about XRP. There's nothing I believe to say yet about the Ripple SEC case. I'm also not feeling doing a little news research right now, but altogether these movements right now I think are market moves. There's some bearish pressure throughout the entire market, not too much by the way. I mean, Bitcoin is falling a little bit, but XRP is falling proportionally a lot, but still. So before we get into more of the technicals on XRP, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, we've been very profitable so far. I think we're nearing like I'm not sure, but I think we're nearing like 50% in the last 1.5 months, which I think is pretty good. It's definitely better than what your bank gives you. But yeah, let's talk about the links for that are down in the description or the pinned comment. Now let's get into XRP. We've had enough to ramble about. So what we saw yesterday, after a positive outcome for us at least of the PCE price index, it was lower than expected. If you don't know about it, it's practically some sort of an inflation rate as well. So it kind of gives us an indication of the economic situation in the US, and therefore also about monetary policy. So that was bullish. We actually just got a spike with that, with XRP. Or actually this spike was a little bit later. We received bullish momentum for XRP. We stayed up here, but we just got this spike, and then it's almost like a bull trap, right? So from there we dropped down. We never were able to break above, yesterday at least, 54 and 55 cents, which was our main resistance. So now we're dropping. You could make the argument, this is what I expected, by the way. I said in the last video, I think. But you could make the argument that we have gone up a little bit too much ahead of all of the results. I mean, in the end, a lot can still happen. So we're really, I think, at our last kind of support here. And it's a strong support, by the way, but it's this support right here. It has the 618 FIB, 50 EMA, 50 cents psychological support level. There is more support at around 51 cents. So this is the level. This is the level we need to hold. We can draw down a little bit, but we need to break or stay on top of, close on top of 50 cents. And you can see that we're dropping quite severely now. So to me, there are basically two scenarios for today. A Saturday usually is not that much of a volatile day, but today for XRP it might become one, or it might be one. So basically we're either going to break down below 50 cents, which will be followed by a move down to 47, 48 cents, which I do think will hold. And then tomorrow we'll see again. I mean, whether we can continue holding that or not largely still does depend on what Bitcoin does, unfortunately. But if we can stay on top of 50 cents, then I mean, I think we will stay on top of it for a little bit longer, but I still, unfortunately, think we would break down below 50 cents a bit later. So to me, it depends on the news, obviously. If we get news about Ripple and the SEC case, we will be bullish. But to me, it's not about the question if we're going to break down below 50 cents, but when. And then there's that small chance that if we stay on top of 50 cents right now and Bitcoin becomes very bullish, all right, then we will stay on top of it and we'll try to break above 55 cents. But for now, really the most likely scenario to me is that we will break down below 50 cents, drop down towards 47, 48 cents, and from there consolidate. And I think we can hold that a bit longer. If the market stays bullish, if the market gets bearish, we'll drop down a bit lower towards 45 cents. That's my full take on XRP for now. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.